Diolch am ymuno â sesiynau ar-lein Rubicon Dance. Rydych yn cymryd rhan yn y weithgaredd hwn ar eich risg eich hun. Drwy gyfranogi, rydych yn cytuno i hepgor pob atebolrwydd am unrhyw anaf i'ch hun, eiddo neu eraill. Cyn i chi gymryd rhan yn y sesiynau, gofynnwn i chi ddilyn y canllawiau yma fel gallwch chi mwynhau ac elwa o'r gweithgaredd hwn yn ddiogel. Lle diogel. Dylech baratoi lle diogel i ddawnsio ynddo drwy cael gwared ar unrhyw rwystrau o'ch cwmpas a chael llawr gwastad. Byddwch yn ymwybodol o'r llawr rydych yn gweithio arno gan fod lloriau pren ac wedi laminaeddio yn fwy llithrig na charped. Ymwybyddiaeth. Chi yw'r barnwr gorau o'ch corff eich hun, felly gweithiwch o fewn y wybodaeth yma. Bydd yr arweinydd ddawns yn arwain y sesiwn ac yn gwneud awgrymiadau, ond cofiwch mai chi sy'n penderfynu pa mor bell i fynd ar symudiadau. Addaswch y symudiad i'r hyn sy'n teimlo'n gyffyrddus i chi. Dylech deimlo rhywfaint o ymdrech, ond peidiwch â gwthio trwy boen. Dillad. Peidiwch â gwisgo gemwaith sy'n gallu achosi niwed wrth symud a gwisgwch dillad llac, cyfforddus ac esgidiau fflat. Mae'r sesiwn yma'n hawlfraint i Rubicon ac nid yw i gael ei recordio neu ail-ddarlledu mewn unrhyw ffordd.
Thank you for joining Rubicon Dance pre-recorded online sessions. You are engaging in this activity at your own risk. By participating, you agree to waive all liability for any injury to yourself, to others or property. Before you take part in the sessions, we ask that you follow these guidelines so that you can enjoy and benefit from this activity safely. Prepare a suitable space to dance in by removing any obstacles around you and having an even floor. Be aware of the floor space you are working on, as wooden and laminate floors are more slippery than carpet. You are the best judge of your physical level, so work within this knowledge. The dance leader will guide the session and make suggestions. However, you must choose how far to take the movement and adapt if necessary to work within your comfort zone. You should feel some exertion, but should not push through pain. Remove any jewellery that may cause harm when moving and wear loose, comfortable clothing and flat shoes or bare feet. This session is copyrighted to Rubicon and is not to be recorded or rebroadcast in any format.
Hello, my name is Anwin and I work for Rubicon Dance. Today we are going to do a movement class, seated to standing. We will be using upper and lower limbs, cardio, flexibility and mobility. Let's get going. Let's start with a warm-up. And wiggle those fingers. I'm going to reach to the side and the other side like you're playing a piano. That's it. Good. And palms up and down. It's like you're checking is it raining or not. That's it. Good. Lovely. Now we're going to reach to the side and pull down. Grab that cloud and put it down. That's it. Good. And up and down. And lift your shoulders. And lift your shoulders. Don't know. Who cares? And roll those wrists like you're the queen. Good. And the other way. Nice. Take your hands to your shoulders. We're going to lift up. And down. Stretch out that side. Lift. And again, lift. And down. And lift. And down. And march. That's it. Keep those feet marching. Good. And stretch one leg out. And bring it in. And the other side. And bring it in. Again. And bring it in. And stretch. And bring it in. Let's pull up those ankles. Bring it back. And again, side. Bring it back. And side. Bring it back. And putting it forwards like you're dipping your toe into the water. Back. Dip your toe. Bring it down. Dip your toe. Bring it back. Dip your toe. And back. And we're going to have a little round turn. And the other way. Keep holding on. Twist. And again. Keep going. That's it. And roll those shoulders back. Make sure you're standing up nice and tall. Good. And shake one hand to one side. And bring it back. And shake and lean to the other side. Keep holding onto that chair. And the other side. And in. And lean. And in. Flick your fingers. Take it up as far as you can. Bring it down. Other side. Hold on to that chair. And down. Nice. And we're going to go for a walk. Can you lift your foot up behind you? So you're kicking that bottom. Good. Holding on now with both hands because we're going to bend your knees. And up. And bend your knees. And up. Nice and slow. Make sure those knees are going over those toes. Other way, and down, and as a little test, can we go up onto our tippy toes? Hold it there,